everybody, this is Priyanka and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to tell you about that comparing yourself with others will always decrease your self-value, because everyone has our own individuality and we should look towards what we have. Why I am telling this today? Because for achieving the dreams of our life and to reach in our own destination, you have to be enough motivated insidely. You should have this self-confident inside you, so that external factors become fail to fall you down. You should have this quality to being confident, to being positive, right? I know that you want to speak good English and you want to learn this language in a good way. But whenever you see other people, whenever you see that others' fluency are better than you, right? You start comparing yourself with them and moreover you feel demotivated. So if you do that, it is my humble request to all that please don't do that. It will be completely worthless for you. If other people are speaking good English, if others people's fluency are good, then one day they were in your level where you are today. Without cross the beginner level, how one can reach in an advanced level. If today I am able to speak good English, if I am able to express my thought, express my ideas in English language, then one day I had a long procedure when I used to be in my beginner level. Is not it? So stop comparing yourself with others negatively. If you are a learner, then you have to be interested to acquire knowledge, to acquire new things from the other people. And as I already have said that everyone has our own individuality, then instead of comparing yourself, acquire some qualities from various people. You can have various qualities from various people. If you would love the fluency of someone, if you would love the way of speaking of someone, try to follow them. Have some conversation with them, and if possible, then gather some relevant information which can help you to learn this language in a more better way. I think it would be better than comparing yourself with others. Okay, and one more thing, that being a learner, you are not supposed to be a shy. You have to be a courageous. You have to have this interest to acquire new things, to obtain new things, so that it can help you to learn this language more efficiently and effectively. Okay, and remember and please mark my statement that if you are a learner, then learner are always a seeker of obtaining innovative things and new knowledge. So you have to be like that. Okay, so this was all about today, what I really wanted to mention in today's video. And behind recording this video, my purpose is to make you understand that everyone cannot be perfect in their beginner level. You should understand this concept very carefully. So don't compare yourself, right? Don't compare yourself. Follow other people, learn this language in a good way, and very soon you will learn this language. You will learn this language easily. Just have patience, have faith on yourself, have faith on your hard work. One day it will give you satisfied result. I'm telling you, believe me. Okay, if other people are speaking good English today, definitely tomorrow you will be able to express your ideas, your thought in a good way and with a good fluency, right? So this was for today, and very soon I will come to you with one new interesting concept. Till then, stay happy, stay positive. Bye bye.